Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4. Look dear students, our today's topic is punctuation. This is our lecture number 7 and SW number 7. Okay? So let's start our today's topic. Look here, please follow the board. At first, I have written here about its definition. Okay, at first you have to know what is punctuation. Punctuation is the art of dividing sentences by points and stops to make the meaning clear. So dear students, what is punctuation? It is the art of dividing sentences by points and stops to make the meaning clear. Okay. If we learn about its classification, then we will see that the principal marks are: number 1, full stop or period; number 2, comma; number 3, semicolon; number 4, colon; number 5, question mark or note of interrogation; number 6, exclamation mark; number 7, apostrophe; number 8, dash; number 9, brackets; number 10, hyphen; number 11, parenthesis; number 12, asterisk; number 13, inverted comma, like this. Okay dear students, so what are they? I am going to say this once again. Number 1, full stop or period; number 2, comma; number 3, semicolon; number 4, colon; number 5, question mark or note of interrogation; number 6, exclamation mark; number 7, apostrophe; number 8, dash; number 9, brackets; number 10, hyphen; and 11, parenthesis; 12, asterisk; 13, inverted comma. Okay dear students, now I am going to discuss about some marks, okay, some punctuation marks. Look, you will get this from your book. Now I am going to start our today's discussion. Okay, at first, full stop. What is full stop? Look dear students, this full stop is used to mark the end of an assertive, imperative and optative sentence. Okay, for example, he goes to school. Okay, here I have used this full stop mark. Okay, then the next sentence, open the door. Here also I have used this mark. Okay, then look dear students, full stop is used in abbreviation too. Okay, but in modern English they are often omitted, like M dot A dot. Okay, M full stop, A full stop, or MA, like this way too we have written. Okay. Look dear students, now I am going to discuss about question mark. Okay, what is question mark? Question mark or note of interrogation is used after a direct question. Okay, that means it is used instead of full stop. Okay, dear students, note of interrogation or question mark is not used in indirect or dependent question. Okay, now dear students, I am going to say an example. Where are you going? Look dear students, here I have used this question mark. Okay, then look dear students, exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? Exclamation mark is used after a word, phrase or sentence to express an emotion or wish. Okay, exclamation mark is used after a word, phrase or sentence to express an emotion or wish. For example, how fine the bird is. Look dear students, here I have used this side, this mark, okay, this exclamation mark. Or another example, alas, I am undone. Okay, after the word alas, then we use there what? Exclamation mark. Okay, now I am going to say about semicolon. Okay, what is semicolon? The semicolon expresses a longer pause than the comma. Okay, so it expresses what? A longer pause than the comma. It is used between coordinate clauses. Okay dear students, Listen, dear students, the colon expresses a longer semicolon. Here I have said semicolon what? The semicolon expresses a longer pause than the comma, and it is used between coordinate what? It is used between coordinate clauses. Okay. For example, I am going to say about this example. He had all the qualifications. Okay, he had all the qualifications, yet he did not get job. Okay, dear students, what have I said? He had all the qualifications, yet he did not get job. Look, dear students, in this, after finishing this sentence, he had all the qualifications. Here I have used here what? Which sign? Which mark? Semicolon mark. Okay. Then the next sentence, yet he did not get job, full stop. Here I have used. Okay. Then look, colon. Okay. What is colon? The colon expresses a longer pause than the semicolon. Okay. So the colon expresses a longer pause than the semicolon. It is used like before a quotation. Okay, it is used before a quotation. Explain the sentence. Look, here I have written here colon. I have used here colon. Then Rome was not built in a day. Okay, full stop. Then another example is what? Before statements and before statements. Okay, for example, noun is mainly of two kinds. Noun is mainly of two kinds. Here I have used colon. Then I have written abstract and concrete. Okay, abstract and concrete. Okay, then the next example, we can use it after a linking verb. For example, my three favorite foods are colon, rice, fish and milk. Okay, dear students. Look, dear students, here you have to put here full stop. Okay, you have to write here full stop, because after finishing the sentence we have to write here what? Full stop. We have to use here what? Full stop. Then look, then apostrophe. I am going to say about this. Apostrophe is used. This is used to show the omission of a letter or letters of a word. Okay, to show the omission of a letter or letters of a word. Okay, dear students, for example, words in bracket what is. Okay, words means in bracket what is the matter. What's the matter? Question mark. Okay, so like this way we can use this apostrophe. Okay, then hyphen. About hyphen, what we can say? Dear students, about hyphen, we can use it to make a compound word. Okay, dear students, the hyphen is a shorter line than the dash. Okay, dear students, the hyphen is a shorter line than the dash. For example, to make a compound word like sister-in-law. Look, dear students, here I have used hyphen. Okay. Then, dear students, to carry a word on from one line to another, at that time too we can use hyphen. For example, they went to the college hyphen met the principal. Okay, dear students, here we have discussed about some punctuation marks. Besides this, you can get about bracket, dash, okay, and some other things about this, about the punctuation about this discussion. Okay, you will get some discussion from this topic in your book. Okay, so please you have to follow your book. Okay, dear students, look, here is your SW. You have to submit your SW on next Saturday. And what is your SW? Your SW will be what is punctuation and write punctuation marks name. Okay, from 1 to 6, that means from 1 to 6, these 6 punctuation marks name you have to do as your SW word. So dear students, submit your SW. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.